TNON stock analysis. Next week, super interesting, easy to buy. I'm breaking all this down in this brief short 1-minute video. As the only person in the stock trading space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos, I have seen what's working for me and what's not, and especially with TNON, bro. Pumped up very nicely, and it's just been melting, you know, like, I don't think it's going to be even more simpler than this, but unless I see a full candle close one above 158, it just must go 10 cents up, and there's just no way that I'm looking at this looking to buy, like, genuinely speaking, right? And it's a big range, and this can be something big. I'm like, notice this, after a pump I'm willing to squeeze the most juice that I can, but without any sort of proper double break, then I'm not buying. Very simple. So if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.